Game testing.
Yeah, guys, so stay tuned for the food that we're going to be eating.
Wait, let's take this table. Clean the table. I don't know who was eating.
Wait, Flora, did you know that I found a secret place?
Oh, I found a
Follow me.
No, you follow me. You follow me. Come over here.
No, wait. Come over here. There's like...
That's what I was going to tell you. There's a ladder and then there's like some secret place.
Wow, bro.
Oh my god, why is it so hard for me to get up, bro?
I'm already up here.
Okay, finally, God. There's a random new... Oh, by the way, I took one of his corn dogs. I took one before you joined the game.
Wow.
Anyway, let's go order food. They're waiting. And I don't think they like waiting.
Yeah.
Wait.
Guys, you're gonna eat like...
Wait, could I...
A lot of food.
Could I order some ramen?
So, yeah.
Neve, I'm gonna order some ramen.
Okay, I'm gonna get some tteokbokki.
Make sure to get a lot of tteokbokki.
Yeah, I get the whole menu of everything anyways.
Wait, I'm just gonna get a little bit of ramen because we're gonna fill the whole table with tteokbokki anyways.
Okay, I got the whole menu.
Wait, why is the volume so low? God. Wait, I'm gonna get this tteokbokki. Ooh, this tteokbokki nice. I only have 20%.
How much is that?
I only have 20.
There goes your phone, bro.
No, not now.
So you feel like your phone died?
Well, if it dies,
you just have to charge it. It's not that it's simple for us.
okay, not now.
Bro.
Wait, could we order some chicken now? Oh, actually, could we order some seafood?
Yeah, that thing is because of seafood way.
Let's order right now.
Well, that's the news, okay?
Gosh.
Bro, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna...
I don't know if they could hear you right now.
I'm gonna get a whole burger menu.
I'm gonna get some seafood.
And the rest at the very bottom costs money, not Robux. Well, Robux. So,
I'm getting my food. Over here is my food. Nevaeh, stop! You're taking so much space.
Head to the basement.
Okay, I put all my seafood.
Do you want to give me?
No. These are... Okay, I need to take both of my claws. And I'm gonna take your burgers. Then I'm gonna...
Bro, why did you clean the table? Bro. I think I'm just done. Stop dying! I'm not making a single burger for you. Can you take it? Yes, I got it. Before it's even. What the heck was that? Listen, if your phone dies, I'm gonna come out, okay?
Shush, bro. I don't think they could hear anything. No. Let's get some sushi.
Now get excited.
No, you're so bossy. God.
I'm not that bossy. No one's bossier.
Nevaeh, stop putting food on the table.
I can pick how much food I want.
Hey, where did the food go? Nevaeh!
Where are you going? Where are you going, bro?
I don't know. Wait, what's happening to me right now? Wait, what the heck? Bro! Oh, I'm a little cat! Nevaeh, is that you?
I'm gonna go let the people. Bro got a whole seafood boil.
Oh, I want a sausage. Hey, boy, get up. Hey, he cleared the table. Did anybody leave me any food? Nope. I'm gonna enjoy some food with my cat. Never mind. My cat friend doesn't want to be with
You're
me.
fine. You'll feel better. Have a burger.
I don't want a burger. I want chicken.
Okay, I'm gonna eat you.
Heck no. You don't deserve any chicken.
I already took one.
Hey, that's my chicken.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's him. I'm the problem.
Okay, you guys.
Where are you
I don't know. The game makes me do this.
going? Sitting here.
Okay, okay, come over here.
Why am I in the ground?
Nevaeh, come over here.
You spin me right
What the heck?
around.
Okay, Nevaeh, come over here.
Your game is glitching.
Okay,
Why
Nevaeh.
am I in the ground?
Okay, guys. So, bro, what? Okay, guys. So, part 2 is gonna come soon, cause like we're just gonna stop the video here. So I'm gonna be doing part 2 soon, and if I don't record with my bestie for part 2, I might be alone. And also, I'm gonna be playing Swing Tower. I don't know if it's with my bestie or not, but like, yeah. So stay tuned
Can I
for.
play with you?
Yeah, sure, but it's not today. It's tomorrow, I think. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for part 2. Bye. Wait.
Okay.